Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at critical documentation from the January 6th Capitol attack. We are analyzing the footage contained within William Pope Exhibit 139, which consists of body cam recordings captured by Sergeant Tyrone Harris. By reviewing this primary source material, we aim to gain a clearer understanding of the events as they unfolded on the ground that day. Let's dive straight into the footage.
I didn't hear you.
They're going to evacuate us out of here. They're going to evacuate us.
They want us to evacuate.
It's breached.
You want to go back out that way? Sure. We got a lot of people down here. Inspector.
What's that? No,
they're evacuating us.
We should tell our people.
Yeah, we gotta get our people. Yeah. Do you see Wilkins?
No, not really.
Why don't you go inside? I'll go get our people. Right now.
It's like a couple hundred of them up there.
It's really big. We should go.
It's breached at this point.
Yeah, you?
I don't even care.
Come on over.
I'm good.
Come with us. Muncie, come this way. Grab some waters. We're going to need them. Oh, no. I just got it. That's why I'm trying to get us off this platform. The problem is, all our people are here. Yeah. If they breach and come down here, we're in a bad spot.
Yeah. We're screwed. The bands out. Can the band pull up so we can bring the CDU here?
Huh?
Do you think the band can pull up like a little bit out so someone else can go bring some of the CDU gear?
If you could go get us our mask and gear, that would be great.
Hell yeah. Hey, let me get a team together.
Grab as many masks as possible. And helmets. Well, just a couple, because you all have bike helmets. What you need, Brewster? Yeah? You want some more water? sec. Don't go that way. Don't go that way.
Okay.
Let's go this way. Under the scaffold. Under. Bend over. Bend over. Just bend over. There you go. I got you. I got you. Keep your head down.
Shield. Ask for some shield.
Can you see?
got you. Oh, okay. So.
Here we go again.
need a way to pull everyone back here.
We are on the back.
One-on-one.
MPD, pull back. Watch it. Jason, pull it back.
Come upstairs to get that. Give it. We can't protect you down there. Everybody right here. You want some water? You good?
Yeah, I need a little bottle of water. Thanks.
Here, guys. That's me.
Across here, let's go! We're all hurt! We're all tired! Zach, get moving! Let's go! Come on, form the line! Hold it, hold tight again!
got mine. That's it, personal.
That brings us to the end of our analysis of the footage from William Pope Exhibit 139, recorded by Sergeant Tyrone Harris. Examining these body cam files provides a vital perspective on the realities of the Capitol attack. If you found this breakdown informative, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more detailed analysis of these historical records. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.